Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine being able to create stunning, high-quality prints with ease, whether you're a professional designer or just starting out in the world of DTF printing. That's exactly what the Procolored A4 DTF apparel printer promises to deliver, and I'm excited to share my hands-on experience with you. First, let's talk about the upgraded film roll feature. The A4 DTF roller printer supports a continuous printable width of 210 millimeters, making it ideal for longer, more compact graphics. This means you can print complex designs with ease, without having to worry about running out of space. Whether you're creating custom apparel, accessories, or even home decor items, this feature gives you the flexibility to bring your most ambitious ideas to life. I've been using the Procolored A4 for a while now, and I can attest to the fact that the print quality is exceptional, with vibrant colors and crisp details that really make your designs pop. Another key feature that sets the Procolored A4 apart is its auto-cleaning printhead. When left on, the A4 automatically cleans the printhead every 10 hours, ensuring optimal performance, using just 1 milliliter of ink daily. This is a game changer for anyone who's struggled with clogged printheads or inconsistent print quality in the past. The auto-cleaning feature saves you time and hassle and helps to extend the lifespan of your printer. Plus, with the A4's steady ink supply system, you can enjoy consistent, high-quality prints every time, without worrying about running out of ink or dealing with messy refills. The Procolored A4 also comes with a range of resources to help you get started, including step-by-step tutorials and easy-to-follow videos. These guides take you from setup to mastering DTF printing, so you can quickly get up to speed and start creating your own custom designs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pro, the tutorials are invaluable in helping you unlock the full potential of the A4. And with the professional RIP software, you can enjoy high-speed processing, support for standard ICC profiles, and personalized workflows to suit your needs. This software is specifically designed for Windows systems, and it's incredibly powerful, allowing you to fine-tune your prints and achieve the exact results you're looking for. In addition to these features, the Procolored A4 is equipped with 6 colors, including CMYK and White ink, which provides a wide range of possibilities for your designs. The stable ink circulation system ensures that the ink flows smoothly and consistently, resulting in vibrant and accurate prints. The printer also comes with a circulation roll feeder, which makes it easy to load and unload the film, saving you time and effort. Overall, the Procolored A4 is an incredibly versatile and powerful printer that's perfect for anyone looking to take their DTF printing to the next level. In conclusion, the Procolored A4 DTF apparel printer is an exceptional piece of technology that's perfect for anyone looking to create stunning, high-quality prints. With its upgraded film roll, auto-cleaning printhead, and steady ink supply system, this printer is designed to deliver consistent, professional-grade results every time. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the Procolored A4 is an investment that's sure to pay off in the long run. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Procolored A4 DTF apparel printer and start creating your own custom masterpieces today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth